Hi everyone, Alex from Auto Advisor here. In today's short video I'm going to show you how to check your oil and top it up if needs be, as your engine is a vital part in your car and cannot operate sufficiently without A, the correct amount of oil, and B, the correct grade of oil. Although we recommend you use one of our garages to carry out all your service and maintenance requirements, we thought we'd put together some short videos to show you some more of the basic maintenance of your vehicle. Enough chat, let's move on to the guide part of this video. So today we have a 2018 Ford Transit Courier, and it is nice and simple to work on. First step, you need to make sure your car is parked on a level surface and has been switched off for a minimum of 5 minutes. Whilst doing this, you need to go and fetch yourself some glue or kitchen roll or some other form of tissue. We then need to find the bonnet release, which is normally located in either the driver's footwell or passenger's footwell on the door pillar side. Pull the lever and the bonnet will release. Once we've released the bonnet inside the driver's footwell, you need to come round to the front of the car and find another bonnet release, which is located here. You then lift the bonnet up and find the bonnet stay, which is located here. We then need to find the dipstick, which on most models is located to the left hand side of the engine, and the handle is commonly colour coded, i.e. red or yellow. Once located, simply pull the dipstick out of the holder, get your blue roll or tissue and wipe the full length of the dipstick to make sure it is clean so you can get an accurate reading. Slide the dipstick back in the hole and push right to the bottom. Wait a few seconds and pull back out. Pay close attention to the minimum and maximum marks. If your level is below the minimum mark, then you need to top your oil up immediately. If your level is between the minimum and maximum marks, you have sufficient amount of oil in your engine, but we recommend topping it up so it is nearer the maximum mark on your dipstick. If your level is above the maximum mark, then you have too much oil and you will need to get a mechanic to come and remove some for you. If you need to top up your engine with some oil, you'll need to check your vehicle owner's manual and make sure you have the correct grade of oil to hand. Once you've got the correct grade of oil, you then need to find the oil filling cap, which is not the same as the dipstick. The oil filling hole is usually located at the highest point of the engine and is usually the same colour as the dipstick handle. Twist the cap to open it and pour a small amount of oil into the engine. I recommend pouring roughly 100 millilitres in at a time, while checking the oil level in between. Once you have the perfect oil level on the dipstick, simply twist the cap back on. Once you've topped up your oil and checked to make sure you've got the correct level on your dipstick, you simply shut the bonnet, like so. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any recommendations for our next guide, please leave them in the comments box. Thanks for watching.